Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Commonwealth Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Commonwealth Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.commonbank.com.au. It will then take you to the official website of Common Bank. Then click to log on from the top right corner. It will then redirect you to a login portal. There enter your client number, then enter your password. Then click to log on. Then you should be able to access your Commonwealth Bank account. To make login easier for next time, click to remember client number. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. If you have forgot your login details, you can get help by clicking to I have forgot my logon details. And if you are new to Commonwealth Bank, you can register a new account by clicking to register for NetBank now. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.